Hey everybody, it's Dana Delmer with Clearmark Title, your local title rep. So today what I wanted to talk about are changes that have occurred since COVID has gone into effect as it pertains to title insurance. So once COVID hit, that meant that we had to go into isolation, right? So everyone was staying home, and this affected the county recorder's recording process. So basically, we used to be able to do special recordings. So what are special recordings? Special recordings are when we can record same day. So specifically in LA County, the recorder's office used to allow us to go down to the county recorder's office with a borrower and go ahead and record that property same day, right? So we got the funds transferred into the account that day, and then we also were able to record and confirm the property that day and transfer it into the new name. Currently, we cannot do that. So what we do is we fund one day and then we record the next day. There's no in-person recordings that are currently happening right now at the counties. So another thing that has changed since then is that we've been getting a ton of calls about doing recordings, that are outside of properties that are insuring with title insurance. So somebody has to record a deed, an affidavit of death, anything that they need to get recorded through the county. When they're calling the county because they can't walk in, the county is referring them to look elsewhere. So I'm getting a lot of those calls, and if we are not insuring a property, we typically do not record any documents because of liability reasons outside of properties that we are not insuring. But I do have a resource for you to use. So that resource is called recordmydocs.com, and you can go there and they can help you from beginning to end. So if you need if you need preparation of a document, you need it notarized, you need it recorded, go to recordmydocs.com for assistance with this as well. The third thing that we've seen is just a huge influx because of the low interest rates. So we've been getting tons of refinances. We're seeing that the counties have at times had some delays with recording simply because of the influx of the amount of recordings that they've had. It's been extremely busy. And we actually have seen things that have been closing later in the day at times. We even had one day where they couldn't get to 10 of our recordings until the next day. So that is extremely rare, but it's something just to be aware of, because if you are a realtor and you are planning to close a property and your seller has movers waiting to move your clients to their new home, it can be risky to do that. So I'd always say be careful right now because of COVID when you're promising the time and day of when the closing will occur. It's only happened one day where recordings didn't occur that same day, but I have seen late recordings within the day, as late as 6:00 p.m. So just be aware of that, and that is across the board for all title companies. We use the same recording companies, so that's what I wanted to share. So have a great day, everybody. All right, bye.